Bonjour mes amis, c'est moi Stephanie and welcome to your Workout Wednesday! Yay, we have some sunshine! It's been very springy here with the rain, and but it's warmish and everything is in bloom. It's so beautiful, but today we actually have some sunshine again. Huzzah! So with that in mind, what I'm thinking about, it's kind of this lungy, shouldery, rolly, stretchy workout today. So if you need padding for your knees, you might, because we're going to be on our knees the whole time because we're going to be in a lunge. But I'm just going to show you here. So starting here, you might want to do this with me. You can do it seated, standing, whatevs. But we're just going to do this series of 3 shoulder rolls. So we roll our shoulders up and back. Bring the fingertips to the shoulders. We roll the elbows. There might be a bit of an arch and a curl too, because we're going to add that in. And then we take a big arm circle. And that's what it is. Shoulders, elbows, arms. And then we do it in reverse as well. Shoulders from the back to the front, elbows from the back to the front, and then fingers, arms from the back to the front. Again, back and back, elbows, and oh, it's so stretchy and wonderful. Yay, my modern dance days. So we're going to do that, and then I'm going to cue us through a wave and a dive to the spine with a stretchy lunge. So let's get moving. So from here, bring one leg forward. And again, we're going to be on this back knee. Back foot can be flexed, pointed, whatever gives you more stability. But get some padding if you need. So from here, we'll do 4. It's going to be a quickie too. We're going to do 4 each side. I say quickie, 4 each side, each direction. So, you know, it's sort of quick. So from here, we roll our shoulders forward. Roll the elbows forward. Roll the arms forward. See how that takes us into a back bend? We go forward. And then on the way back, feel free to put the fingertips down. Lengthen your leg. And flex the foot as you curl up. We do that again. Sorry. Shoulders. I was ready. Elbows. Big yawn. Ooh, forward. Take your time. Curl. Flex the foot. Lengthen as much as you can. Roll it up. Again. Shoulders. I want to go right to those elbows. Elbows. Arms. Let that take you, sink into the front hip lunge and back. Curl it back up. Once more like that. Here, we'll switch legs. Once. Elbows twice. 3 times. Oh, big freedom yawn. Forward. Back with the booty, long leg, longish leg. Roll it up. Switch legs. I'm just going to switch sides because that feels nice to me. So again, from here, forward with the shoulders. What also gives that knee a break, yeah? Shoulders, elbows, yawn into that sinky lunge. Fingertips can go to the ground and back up. And shoulders, elbows, fingers, big yawn. Scratch the wall with your thumb like I just did and back. Curling up. And shoulders and elbows and arms, big yawn. Arch the spine. Curl and lengthen the knee back. Once more there. Shoulders and elbows. Ooh, big yawny, 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 yawn. And back. And up. Back to the first side. Similar, but now we start with the curl into the arch. Yeah, so we dive. So from here, we go back and up. Fingers to the shoulders and big yawn. Here we go. Stretch the leg first. Then we snake our way back up. And shoulders, elbows, lengthen, dive it down. Reach forward and up. And 2 more there. shoulders, elbows. Big yawn, lengthen the leg, dive, curl into it, then bend. Ooh, your way up, arch your way up once more. Shoulders, elbows, and arms lengthen. Oops, sorry, butterflies. And snake your way up. Oh yeah, it's nice. Switcheroo, 4 to the opposite side to finish. Shoulders, elbows, arch, lengthen, dive, and then snake your way forward and up. And again, shoulders, elbows, reach, and arch it back up. 2 more, shoulders, elbows, arms, lengthen, dive, and then snake your way up. Ooh, once more there, shoulders, elbows, arms, fingers, lengthen, then dive, curl, forward, forward, and back up. Take a moment, just to come on down. Find a position that is not on your knees. Give them a little bit of love. Take a moment just to let that go, kind of recenter. And as always, thank you subscribers for being here. Welcome new subscribers. Everyone hit that bell. Fresh videos like this drop every Wednesday, every other Monday-ish. I give you a quick tip. Again, thank you so much for being here, and I will see you next time.